Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at Housecall Pro, one of the leading all-in-one business software platforms for home service pros. Whether you're running HVAC, plumbing, cleaning, or electrical services, this platform promises to streamline your operations. But is it really worth it in 2025? Let's find out. This is the Housecall Pro homepage, clean, professional, and tailored for service-based businesses. Right off the bat, you'll notice it's built to help you manage scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, payments, and customer communication, all from one platform. Let's break down the key sections of the site and what they offer. Features. This is the core of the platform. It includes tools for online booking, scheduling, dispatching, automated follow-ups, estimates, invoices, and payments, all with a mobile-friendly interface. Pricing. Housecall Pro offers several plans depending on your business size, starting from the Essentials plan for solo pros, up to the Max plan with custom pricing and premium features. Industries. This section shows how Housecall Pro works for different trades, HVAC, plumbing, carpet cleaning, and more. Resources. Tons of guides, webinars, and community support to help you get the most out of the software. One of the standout features is the mobile app. Your team can see jobs, update statuses, collect payments, and send invoices all from the field. The dashboard is user-friendly, giving you real-time visibility into your entire operation. Pros, all-in-one solution. Schedule jobs, take payments, send estimates, and more. Mobile-friendly. Your team can work from anywhere. Automated customer reminders and updates improve communication. Integrated payment processing saves time and reduces paperwork. Great support and community for pros starting or scaling up. Cons. Pricing can get high for larger teams or advanced features. Not ideal for non-service-based businesses. It's tailored for trades. Some learning curve for new users, especially on the back-end tools. Advanced marketing features cost extra, not all included in the base plan. So, is Housecall Pro worth it in 2025? If you're running a home service business and want to get serious about scaling, definitely yes. It simplifies your operations, improves customer experience, and gives you the tools to grow, all in one place. If you're ready to stop juggling spreadsheets and sticky notes, Housecall Pro might be exactly what you need. Check it out at Housecall Pro and let us know your experience in the comments. Like this review, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around for more honest software breakdowns. See you next time.